Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Ijaz Muhyiddin, and now the topic is carcinoma of the pancreas. Incidence: pancreatic cancer is sixth leading cause of death. Incidence is 10 cases per 100,000 per year. The incidence declined in last 25 years. Common age is 65 to 75 years. It is more common in males. It is more in blacks than whites, more in smokers, alcoholics and diabetics, more in patients with family history of breast and ovarian cancer, more in 18 to 57 fold. The increase in 18 to 57 fold. Clinical features: jaundice secondary to obstruction of distal common bile duct is most common symptom, leading to ampullary tumor of pancreatic head. Jaundice is painless. Nausea, vomiting, epigastric discomfort, ascites, large supraclavicular lymph nodes are present. Pruritus, dark urine, pale stools with steatorrhea are common. Steatorrhea is excessive fat in the stools. Anorexia, weight loss, and palpable liver and gallbladder. Another presentation is upper abdominal pain with diabetes mellitus. Follow-up: ultrasound should be done. Kuwait's law: jaundice, weight loss, and palpable gallbladder is seen in carcinoma of the pancreas. Investigations: ultrasound upper abdomen, CBD dilated, CT scan, magnetic resonance imaging, ultrasound, magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography, endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, tumor marker CA19 and 9, not very sensitive, PT, prothrombin time, CBC, complete blood counts, liver function tests, random blood sugar, serum calcium and serum magnesium should be checked. They are all deranged. Management: enlargement of the lymph nodes make tumor inoperable. 85% of the cases are inoperable. Only 15% are resectable. Tumors of ampulla has good prognosis. Surgery: pylorus pancreatoduodenectomy, cholecystectomy, palliative procedures, stent placement in pancreatic duct by ERCP, endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, gastroenterostomy, stent formation or stent, and treatment of diabetes mellitus, chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bell and Love, 26th edition. Thank you.